Today I got something real special for the lifted truck. I got the new wheel and tire setup for it. They're 20 by 14s, a negative 74 offset, I believe. And the tires are 33 by 12 and a half. So we're gonna get that stance boy stretch. But that's my brother right now. We're gonna change the cylinder 5 coil pack. You know which one's cylinder 5?
I need a ladder.
Oh. Heard from him, we need a ladder or a bucket or something. Because it's on a rough country 6-inch lift. And right now we got those dinky. We got the dinky 20 by 9s on there. It is a shitty day out today. Oh my god. But yeah guys, this is the truck. Current situation right now. Literally bringing the ladder. You're seriously getting on the ladder? This is hilarious. Lift the truck. You know what size it is?
Smaller than all of you.
I think it's 8.
No, smaller.
Smaller?
That's mad small.
Is it? So then we should have it in the toolbox. Alright, I'm gonna go get it then. Dude's got me looking for it. Something smaller than an 8. I think it's still misfiring. What's going on, guys? So last week we failed. The tire size was too small and they wouldn't stretch onto the rims. So now I have to go bring the new tires back to In-Track tires to get them mounted. The last setup was a 33 by 12 and a half, and supposedly they were too small for them to fit. So I got some 35 by 13 and a halves, and they're gonna be going on the 20 by 14 wides, negative 74 or 76 offset, I believe. So it's gonna be a wide stance. But let me get those loaded up, and we'll go get some coffee.
Rouget.co.uk.
So it's been a long day at the tire shop. Shout out to Intrac Tires, they hooked it up. So long story short, it was a process to get the tires mounted. They took wooden planks, shoved them in the tires to stretch the tire out a little bit, and I'm not gonna hold it from you guys anymore. Here it is. To the street. Can't run into the street. Come on, Pop.